What's up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm coming on to bring you guys a tutorial video. You guys seem to really like my tutorial videos a lot, but they do take me a lot more time to film, a lot more time to edit, and a lot of times I'm just not in the mood to do it. But thankfully today, this tutorial video is going to be super easy. It shouldn't take me that long to edit it, and it's something that is highly requested. I've already done a turban tutorial or head wrap video on here, so I will link that in the description box below as well if you want to check out those other styles. This is just one I've been wearing recently that I feel like is really easy, and I feel like you can dress it up or dress it down, make it look really elegant, or if you want to wear jeans and a jacket with it or a leather coat, it'll be cute with that too. So many of you guys have been asking me to do this tutorial video literally every single time I post a picture, a video, and my hair is wrapped up in a turban that looks like this. You guys are always wanting to know, is it a hat? Is it a turban? How did you do it? Can you give us a video on it? So much. So in today's video, this is what we're gonna be getting into, okay? So if you wanna see how I tie my turbans just like this, then keep on watching. So that's it for the tutorial video. Hopefully you found this very helpful. For all of you out there who asked for this tutorial video, don't forget to go ahead and click that share button, because I'm sure a lot of other people might want to know how I do this as well, or how other people tie their turbans as well. If you decide to actually wear your turban like this or recreate this, let me know by tagging me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @brandiloo88. So if you guys want to see more tutorial videos geared toward, I guess, like hairstyles or how I normally put away my hair, I don't know, hair videos, let me know what you guys want to see. If you enjoyed this video, as always, give it a thumbs up and show your girl some love. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button, join the family. As always, we love having new people here all the time. Welcome to the family, join the family, all of that good stuff. But anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.